Hi, would you like to learn a great way to cook broccoli? Then this is the channel for you. Hi, I'm Chef Edward, and I've been a professional chef for over a decade, and I'm here to show you tips and tricks I learned along the way. So today we're going to make oven roasted broccoli. So what you will need is fresh broccoli. I have 12 ounces. I have 2 tablespoons of garlic. I have 4 ounces of butter. I have salt, and I have pepper to taste. So first what we want to do is we want to have a pot of boiling water. We're going to add our broccoli to our water to let it cook. And next, we are going to take our butter and our garlic, and we are going to melt our butter with our garlic just to infuse the garlic taste into the butter. There we go. All right. Okay, we have our butter melting right now. You want to stir the garlic in. And this is a great way to add more flavor into your melted butter. Now our broccoli, you want to cook it until it's al dente. You don't want it too soft. You don't want mushy broccoli. So that is getting there. Okay, our butter has fully melted, and now it's a great time to take it off the heat. We don't want to fully cook our garlic yet. Okay, our broccoli is nice and al dente. We are going to strain it. And then next, we're going to put it in our water bath to cool it off, to shock it. Okay, it's cooled off, and now we're going to dump that as well, the broccoli. Okay, now we have our broccoli. We have our melted garlic butter. We're going to add our garlic butter to our broccoli. Now we're going to add our salt and pepper. We're going to mix it in. Now we're going to add it to our sheet pan. And now a little chef trick is you shake it a little bit. Now we're going to put it in our oven. Now our oven is already preheated at 350. We're going to cook it for at least 20 to 25 minutes until the broccoli is golden brown. Okay, it's been 25 minutes, and let's check on our broccoli. Okay, looks like our broccoli is done. So it's nice golden on the outside and tender. All right. Oh yeah, that's really good. And if you like more videos like this, please subscribe. And thank you for watching. And now it's your turn. Thank you.